Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite soups on the face of this planet. It's pho. It's pronounced pho, it's spelled P-H-O. The pho that I'm making takes a little bit from bun bo hue. Bun bo hue, I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's one Vietnamese soup, and I take a little bit from pho. So it's a broth that can be used for vegan bun bo hue or vegan pho, whatever you want to do. But yeah, it's my favorite stock that I use for all of my Asian noodle soups. So I want to finally share it with you all. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm gonna try to make my intro shorter. I feel like I talk way too much. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments about the recipe, leave them in the comments section. Please like the video, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hello, I'm so happy that I finally have shared this recipe with you all. I've been eating this broth for my pho or my bun bo hues. Like, I've been eating this broth for years. It's so delicious. I'm obsessed. And these meatballs also are in my upcoming cookbook. They are they're delicious. These are ginger garlic meatballs. They're vegan, gluten-free, soy-free. None of those crazy preservatives and all of the store-bought fake meats. It's homemade. Yeah, I cannot wait to share this cookbook with you all. But anyways, I hope you give this recipe a try. You can use any toppings you like. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!